Many people ask why C63s or AMGs are not that popular except for AMG GTs, GTRs, GT Black Series, etc. on the ring. Well, because they're much more heavy than an M car, therefore because they're luxurious, more luxurious. Am I saying that correctly? Yeah, don't get me wrong. But yeah, so you're paying much more money to then throw everything out. Makes no sense. And therefore they're not that popular. But it seems that they can be very good track cars with some small right upgrades. So we have here C63S, 4MATIC, right? Plus, no.
On the rear.
Good that I know now, after the lap. But it was handling fantastic, phenomenal. Therefore, actually, maybe that's why the rotation was so nice. I loved it. Anyway, long story short, this one has a few essential upgrades. So we have Wagon CRS tires all around. On the front, we have 265, 35, 19. It has gyro disc, and which pads were those?
Baguettes.
Baguettes, RSL 29?
I think so.
Yeah, Paget brake pads, steel lines.
Yeah.
That's it.
Other oil.
Yeah, other oil. And we have also the tax benefit upgrade from Belgium with minus the thing, because according to Belgium logic, if you cannot transport people in the back, I'm sure you can, then therefore it's definitely a company car. So yeah, I mean, makes total sense. Anyway, fantastic, perfect family car slash company car slash ring tool that has proven, because like I said, for me with just those minor upgrades, it was phenomenal. Thank you very much for the lap.
No, thank you.
Hope you enjoyed as well.
Yeah, very much. Yeah, thank you.
So see you next time with, I don't know, stickier tires or a bit newer tires maybe. But it was actually quite nice. I liked it. The thing with CRSs, the older they get, the better they get, because they have a interesting cheat code in them. Should I tell you the cheat code? So to make it like road legal, it has like 3 stripes. And when one stripe, like for the water and noise, it's very thin. And after like 25% of usage, it goes away. And then you have more grip because the tire becomes more flat like a full slick. So this was very grippy and very fun. Anyway, enough talking. Enjoy the lap. Very nice. Oh, we forgot the downpipes and the tune, actually. So
no tune.
No tune, just the downpipes.
No downpipes and Venturi air intake.
Oh yeah, so it's like 600 something.
No, I never checked. Last time I checked 520 on the dyno.
Nice. I like it. Very, very understated and very much delivering.
Ja.
Vol nat.
Ja, maar de meeste veranderen niet zoveel aan remmen.
Nee, dat is het probleem,
Ik
ja.
heb gezien de laatste met een sedan, de Nederlander.
Ja.
Ja, 600 pk, maar niet veel remmen. Updates.
Alrighty, we are on the track. Everything is off, everything is in race mode. Let's have some fun.
it.
Love it. Love
Yeah.
it. Brakes are good. Power is good.
Yeah.
Tires are good.
That was the first thing I wanted to change is the brakes because everyone does an ECU, stage
Yeah,
1,
yeah.
stage 2, but
And then stock everything.
yeah, that's the first thing I did. It's the better brakes.
Really, really good. Nice. Freaking love the car. Really, really good. The brakes are good. Tires are good. Power, emotion. It's all you need. And yeah, fantastic. Quick thumbs up to the GT4 owner.
It's amazing. You're driving. I thought this car couldn't go much faster, but yeah, difference is proven.
Yeah, it's I'm impressed. It's probably like the best C63 I've driven because it has the right mods that you want.
I'm happy to hear that from you.
Yeah, no, amazing. Very, very cool.